Hello, my friend. Welcome to my studio.
Another common mistake artists make, they don't have enough contrast in their art. And contrast means, lightness and darkness of things. So to check your contrast, step back from your drawing very often and see it from the distance, because you don't see the details. Rather, you see patches of dark and light. And just check and see if you have enough contrast.
If you'd like to show your support, please share this video with your friend or buy a book from me. It's sold on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching this video. You can subscribe to my channel and check out other valuable videos about colored pencil techniques, art materials, and art history. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye bye!